I couldn't even like breathe. I was like trying to call him and I couldn't.
Okay, so how was it?
That was so cool. Like I want to do it. Like it was weird. Like if you stand all the way back, you can't feel it. But if you stand here, it's like wind. Like I'm crying. My eyes are like so like I'm like wicked hot now.
Was that awesome?
Yeah, it was.
Okay.